way they score things is apparently they start at 0 points, and you want to keep your score at par, which means below 0, I guess, or at 0 or below. I don't know. You got to do the same thing for a road test. It's like playing a game of golf, which is actually driving is more exciting than golf in my opinion. Yeah.
Ask someone who plays golf.
Probably rather go golfing, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an indoor golfing practice center here in Sudbury, and I went once, and there's like, the wall is rubber, and you're supposed to hit the ball and hit the rubber
And
wall.
it will calculate how much speed or how
Yeah.
much power you.
I think so. Yeah. I couldn't even hit it. I'm not coordinated at all. Yeah. The hand-eye coordination, and I'm not very good at that. Which is probably not a good thing for a driving instructor. Bad hand-eye coordination.
But I think that is very dynamic. If you do something else, your particular senses are heightened in that particular skill. But then again, like if you try something else, they're not that much calibrated according to that skill.
Yeah. It's like my wife. She's like a bat. She's partially blind, and she can't. I get home sometimes. She's in the kitchen and she's got no lights on, cooking in the dark. And I'm like, put some lights on. She says, why? I don't need them. She can't see anyway, right? So yeah. But she's got good hearing, man. I can't get away with anything. She can hear everything I'm doing. Robert, what are you doing? What? I'm upstairs. How can you hear this? It's pretty cool though how some people, they're visually impaired. They have no vision, and yet they could do like the echolocation, like bats. I think they go like, it bounces off the walls, and they know, like, they could.
Oh, really?
They know where objects are. Sonar.
Yeah.
That's pretty tricky, I would say.
I didn't know like they can do that.
Yeah.